Have you ever struggled with landing pages? I have. I've been building SaaS companies for the past 15 years, and I've always struggled with landing pages. They are difficult to create, back and forth with the team. Designers and developers are not available for my project. Page templates keep breaking when I make any edits to them. Many reasons why SaaS landing pages are not that easy to create. With LandingRabbit, I'm looking to change that. I'm going to use Asana in this demo, but you can obviously use the tool for any SaaS company out there. I'll pick feature solution use case as my first page type. These suggestions are for Asana specifically, but if you would use LandingRabbit for any other company, then these would be tailored for you. I'll start with simple team collaboration and add a keyword tool. Then I'll hit next, and in the background, we're pulling in data from Asana's website, from online, and we're also taking a look at the keyword that I selected. We're trying to match both what Asana is doing, what do they serve, and what a user, the page visitor, expects when they see that keyword, when they search information. And what you get as a result first is a page plan. Page planning is something that we marketers often skip. We're too busy with our projects, and we need to create landing pages ad hoc. In this plan, you can see persona, alternatives, problem, solution, features, and benefits, all ingredients that you need when you're planning a great page. You can make edits to suggestions by AI, so you can add more problems, for example. You can remove anything, you can edit anything. I'm not going to make any changes in this demo, but the better this plan is, the better the content we produce will also be. Let's create the page for you. Soon on the left-hand side, you'll see a text editor, and on the right-hand side, you'll see a page in Asana styles, colors, and fonts. The key difference between LandingRabbit and other tools is that we create the landing page structure for you. We take a look at your design, your brand, your styles, and create the page for you. You don't need to create a template. You don't need to choose from different colors. You already have them. And we're going to take them from your website and create a beautiful page for you. On the right-hand side, you can see the Asana's page, their colors. They like to use pink, burgundy. They also have light blue and darker blue. And you can see all those colors on the landing page. The landing page structure we've created based on the keyword and the topic that you chose. And here on the left-hand side, you can edit the text and add content. And once you do that, you'll see the right-hand side changing, adjusting to any of the changes you make. So as a user, you don't need to focus on the actual template, tweaking pixels, changing the positions. You can just focus on the content and make sure that the page really resonates with your customers. There are some small things like changing the layout option like this, and we're going to add some more. But the whole idea of the platform is to make sure that you can focus fully on the content, make sure that it really resonates with your audience. You can move things around if you like. You can delete any of the sections that we've created. You can add more content and edit content just like you do in Google Docs or in a Notion document. Once you're happy with the text, you can preview the whole page, making it larger. You can scroll it up and down, read it, read all the titles, make sure that the page will convince the prospect that is viewing it. Also, you can add images. You can click any of the images and add something from your catalog. Once you're ready with content and the page layout, you can share it with your colleagues. Just click the share button and you'll get various options like preview link that anyone can visit, images, HTML, Markdown, and more. Also, you can import this page directly into your Webflow. We are working on integrations with other platforms out there, but Webflow is already available and ready for you to use. Here's how it works. You just copy the preview URL of the page. Then you go to your Webflow site, and here you select Apps. There you pick LandingRabbit, you open the plugin, and here in the plugin, all you need to do is to add the share URL. Then hit import, and what LandingRabbit will do in the background is that it pulls in all the content you've created, you've planned within LandingRabbit, and LandingRabbit builds the exact same page on your Webflow site. It's just like any other Webflow page. So you can edit it together with your designers and developers if any changes are needed. You can improve it. You can change the layout. But if you're happy with the page as it is, you can obviously publish it. It's automatically optimized for mobile, tablet, and desktop. You don't need to make any changes if not necessary. That's all on this demo. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you've been struggling with landing pages, now it's time to look for a new solution. LandingRabbit will help you build any page you like, anything you need for your SaaS company. I'd love to show you around, so just hit request beta access on LandingRabbit's website, and I'll be in touch with you within 24 hours, if not sooner. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.